Hey guys, it's your Astro Girl V here, and today I want to talk about the transit that's going to be affecting us. So today, Monday, March 4th, 2024, let's make the most of this energy, right? Because the moon starts off in Sagittarius, which is giving us adventurous and exploratory vibes, right? So this morning, we're going to feel a lot more optimistic and a lot more positive, but then the moon moves into Capricorn around 4:14 Eastern time, which means that we're going to be thinking into a more realistic, pessimistic. It's time to focus. It's time to be more productive. Time to set those realistic goals. You might be more focused on business and kind of like structure, your responsibilities, and how you should discipline yourself more in terms of your career and where you want your career to go. Right. So the moon being in Capricorn is definitely going to affect the cardinal signs, which are the Aries, Libra, Capricorn, and Cancers. So if you have any of these signs or placements, definitely look at them in your house or in your chart so you can figure out how it's going to affect you. But we also have other transits happening, right? So we have Mercury and Uranus teaming up right now to bring us some cool new ideas and some unexpected perspectives and surprises, especially in terms of our creativity, which is that Pisces theme, and finances, which is that Taurus Venus theme, right? So today is a really good day to experiment with different forms of communication. Try journaling, live spaces, podcasting, painting. Do things that are going to help you express how you really feel. And remember, this is a great time to stay flexible, make plans, get ready for a day that mixes exploration and getting stuff done. You know, it's a universal theme of unexpected surprises being thrown at us right now. Definitely check out my Twitter and my Instagram, where I try to post daily insights and wisdom on the astrological transits that are happening and how they're going to be affecting us. For example, we do have a Mars sextile North Node and a Mars trine South Node, and I did post a little paragraph on my Twitter with more information on this. If you would like to know how this is going to specifically impact you, message me, contact me. I am available, and I'm open for readings. Thank you guys so much, and again, have a wonderful day. Happy Monday. Happy Cancer Day.